How to fix Yahoo Mail login problem. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix Yahoo Mail login issue. So let's get started. On this process, at first, you'll have to just check for your internet connection whether it is stable or not. For that, open up any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the search field, you'll have to search for fast.com. Alright, after you open fast.com, from there you can easily know your internet speed, and after you confirm your internet speed is stable, you'll have to back from here and try to clear the app or browser cache. For that, open up your settings, and from the settings tap on general. From here tap on iPhone storage. From here you'll have to find out the application Yahoo Mail. After you find it, tap on that. From here tap on upload app, and from here tap on upload. After you done that, tap on the option reinstall app again, and after you complete the process from here, you can easily clear the cache of Yahoo Mail app. For the Android, you can directly go to your settings, and from the app section, under the section of storage, you can directly tap on clear cache, and from that way you can easily clear cache. After you done it, you'll have to just back from here and check for the updates available for Yahoo Mail. For that, open up Play Store or App Store. From here, in the search field, search for Yahoo Mail. After you find Yahoo Mail here, you can find if any updates are available for that app, and after you tap on that update, you'll be able to install the latest version of Yahoo Mail on your device, and after you install the latest version, your problem will be gone now. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.